Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make lobster bisque. We'll start by creating a deeply flavorful stock from the lobster shells, which is the secret to a truly delicious bisque. Then, we'll build a creamy, rich base using a classic roux, ensuring a smooth texture. Finally, we'll combine everything for a restaurant-quality dish that's surprisingly simple to achieve at home in about 1 hour and 30 minutes. This easy method is perfect for any home cook. The foundation of any great bisque is a robust stock. Begin by sautéing your lobster shells with aromatic vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions until fragrant. Next, deglaze the pot with about 1 cup of dry white wine, scraping up any brown bits. Then, add 6 cups of water and simmer for 25 minutes. Finally, strain the stock, pressing the solids to extract every drop of flavor. Now, let's create that signature creamy bisque base. In a clean pot, melt 4 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Whisk in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour to form a roux, cooking it for about 2 minutes until it's a light golden brown. Gradually whisk in 2 cups of your warm, strained lobster stock until smooth. Finally, stir in 1 cup of rich, heavy cream and let it gently simmer for 5 minutes to thicken. We're almost ready to enjoy our delicious bisque. Gently stir in about 1/2 cup of cooked, chopped lobster meat into the simmering base. Season generously with salt, black pepper, and a hint of 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a subtle warmth. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Ladle into bowls, garnish with fresh chives or a swirl of cream, and serve this luxurious bisque warm.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.